Welcome back to another exciting unboxing slash please fill out your product information page here on Civvie. Today we've got the non-metallic metals from Vallejo's game color line. This one, actually, fun fact, does list what colors are on the front of the box. So that's a lot better than the other boxes that we had where it was like, hey yo, it's a green. What green? Meh, who knows? So these ones you actually could look up, but still, fill out your product page. Either way, let's see what's going on here. We've got a black, a gray, a gunmetal, a like light bluish, a brown, a tan brownie, a tan, and a white. And what else does it have to say? It's got a step-by-step by, I thought that was a piece of paper up there, by Angel Geraldez. I assume that is a person. I think my camera moved. Let me just whoop, a little bit like that. And what else do they have to say? They say it's non-metallic metal by Vallejo. The focus is somewhere around there, somewhere, who knows? And a lot of very small text. One application without leaving brush marks. They do dry to matte, permanent finish. All colors comply with a bunch of color stuff. So let's get in the box. Let's figure out what colors those colors are. We have one sheet to tell you how to make metals. That's cool. We'll look at that later. And let's see what's in the box. That was it. Okay, so what do we got here? We have Dead White. It's got a good name. We've got Turquoise, which was the blue. We've got Heavy Gold Brown. Let's get on camera. Where's the focus now? I've bumped the camera in ways that I cannot describe to you. I'm very sorry. Focus is somewhere in that area. Heavy Golden Brown. Gold Brown. We've got some Heavy Brown. Very heavy, very brown. We've got some Cold Gray. All right. There it is, somewhere around there. We've got some Sepia Tone, obviously. We've got some black. Yep, that's black. And we've got some Night Blue, which is actually one of the colors I was looking for. So, there we go. We got 8 new colors. Then we're touching. Stop touching the camera. There we go. 8 colors. There they are. To add to our pile of other colors. Sometime soon I'll do a video on how I'm displaying / making these colors easy to find. Because like this, on a table, God knows what is what. Anyway, for today, that was a terrible video. I'm Civvie, and I'll see you guys next time.